In this video, I'm going to discuss about circular linked list. So in this, I'm going to discuss what is meant by a circular linked list, different abstract data types like create, display, insert, delete, and search. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about only delete function, how deleting an element works in a circular linked list. Remaining create, display, and insert, I already discussed in the previous videos. So please watch it before watching this video for better understanding. Okay, now let us see what is meant by a circular linked list. So in a circular linked list, there will be a particular node where each node has two different fields. One is data field and second one is the address field. The data field can be of any format like integer, string, character, etc. It acts as an input variable. And the second one is the address field. This stores the address of the next corresponding node. So in the circular linked list, the address of the last node will correspond to the first node, creating like a structural format. And also while creating a circular linked list, we will have a pointer variable last, which corresponds to the last node after creating. Okay, now let us see the definition of a circular linked list. In a circular linked list, each node has just one pointer called the next pointer. The next pointer of the last node points back to the first node, and this results in forming a circle. So in this type of linked list, we can only move through the list in one direction. So it is only single direction, no bidirectional. Let's look at the abstract data types. So previous videos, I discussed about how creating works, displaying the elements works, and also inserting the elements works. In this, I'm going to discuss only about delete function. So basically, delete has two different cases. First one is deleting the first element, and second case is deleting an element other than the first element. So let us look into the first case, deleting the first element. So in this, first we must change the address of the last node, and then we will delete the first node. So the first node is removed from the circular linked list. The link of the last node is updated to the point to the next node. The last node remains unchanged. So this is how deleting the first element works. Now let us look into the second case. So if we want to delete an element other than the first node, first we will look if the element is present or not. So if it is not present, if it is present, then we will change the address of its previous corresponding node, and then we will delete the we will delete that particular node. The remaining list is unchanged. So if we want to delete the last node, the last pointer is updated accordingly. So this is the process of a deleting function. And now let us understand clearly with the help of an example. Let us consider we have a circular linked list of elements 10, 30, 20, 60, and 70. Total 5 elements. So in the first case, if we want to delete an element 10, so it is the first node. So first we will change the address of the last node. The last node address should be of a address of 30, should connect with address of 30, and then we will delete the element. The remaining list is unchanged, and the last pointer variable no need to change. So this is the process of deleting the first element. So if you want to delete any other element other than the first, suppose if you want to delete the 20 in the given circular linked list, then we will find where 20 is present. So we can observe that the 20 is present at position 3. So then the previous corresponding node, that is the address of 30, must be changed such that the 30 gets linked with element 60. And then we will delete the 20 element 20. So if we want to delete the last element, then the previous links get changed, and also the last pointer variable also gets changed. So this is the process of deleting the elements in a circular linked list. Now let us write the C program of how deletion. So this is the delete function. In this, if last is equal to null, we will show that the list is empty and return the function. If last is not equal to null, then we will scan the element which is need to be deleted. So these are the two cases which I said earlier. First case, if a element is the first element, then temp is equal to last of link. The temp will be corresponds to the first element. Similarly, the last of link is equal to temp of link. The last of link gets updated and we will delete it. For deleting, we will use free of temp. This free is used to delete a particular node. Similarly, we will increment the flag value and decrement the total number of elements. Here n stands for the total number of elements. Else, if they are required deleting element is not the first element, then we will find the element and we will change the link of its previous corresponding element. So this is the logic for deleting an element. So if the element is not found, the flag will be 0. So if flag equal to 0, then we will print that element is not found. Else printf %d found and deleted. So this is the deletion function. These previous functions are insert function, display function, and create function. I already explained these functions in the previous videos. So if you didn't watch, kindly watch it. So this is about delete function. So thank you for watching this video till the end. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts regarding the circular linked list, please comment below. Thank you for watching.